how I make potato salad. I have a pan of water filled up to about here. I'm going to use red potatoes. I'm using small red potatoes. Now that my potatoes are in the water, I just swish them around, and that's washing them off. And I'll rinse this water out. I'm sure some of you noticed I didn't wash them before I started cutting. I'm washing them now. They're in the tumbler bath. You can see the dirty water. I'll fill it up. Give it another rinse. They're clean. Go ahead and start filling the water up. Runaway potatoes. And I'll fill that up just above the potatoes. I want to give some boil room. Looks about right. Put them on the stove on high. Take the packages away and let it boil. My potatoes are straining in the sink. They're cooled off. I rinse them twice in cold water bath, and they're about that consistency. So they have a little bit of firm, but then again, enough softness. Not so much that when I mix it up with their dressing that they'll turn into mashed potatoes. I'm going to chop an onion. Then I'm going to put this into the pot that I boiled my potatoes in. In this pot, I'll mix everything up and then put it into my serving dish. I have some leftover deviled eggs that I had just made. And some of the filling for it. I'm going to go ahead and use that up. Put it into my pot. Take these eggs and make them small, like diced. They're not a prominent part of the potato salad, but they certainly do help with the taste and the different textures or consistency of it. Gives it a little something something. I just had a few extra eggs that didn't fit in my container, so I figured I would put it in here. Sometimes I put eggs in my potato salad, sometimes I don't. Not a lot. For my potato salad, I use pretty much the same mixture as I do for my deviled eggs. About 1.5 cups of mayo. A little bit of mustard. Spicy mustard. Celery salt. Oh, I don't know. I'm going to say a tablespoon or so. Salt you have to do to taste. So what am I putting in here? Let's call it 2 to 3 tablespoons. Because don't forget, it has to go around all those potatoes. So I'm going to stop now. It's about a teaspoon. I meant 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon maybe of garlic, and maybe 2 of onion powder. Mix it up. Don't forget, you have to have this very creamy to get all around those potatoes. And I start out like this, and then I put in some white vinegar. It makes it more liquidy. Gives it a little bit of a tang. How much was that? 2 tablespoons, I'd say, in that vicinity. See how it's getting creamy? Put it to the side. In this pot, I'm gonna mix up the onions and stuff at the bottom. Not a big deal, they'll get mixed in. I'm gonna put my red potatoes in. Dig down below, stir it around. Lift it up, kind of fold it. Then I'm going to pour the mixture over it. We'll start there. I may add more mayonnaise. It may be perfect. I may make another batch mixture. I don't know until I see the consistency and until I taste it. I may need more salt. Okay, time to test. The salt is okay. I think I need a little more mayo. And I'm gonna say onion. and celery salt. Now when you let this sit overnight to cool, it will actually absorb some of this mayo. It'll like thicken up. There ain't nothing wrong with it right now, trust me. It does taste good. Keep scooping around the bottom, getting in there, and stirring it. Take another taste. Taste again. I like it. I think I need some more chopped onion though. It tastes pretty good. Now, I'm going to put it into my container for tomorrow. I'll put it in the refrigerator tonight, and I'll bring it over to my son and daughter-in-law's tomorrow for the barbecue. Red potato salad. A couple leftover hard-boiled eggs in it. Hard-boiled deviled eggs. About 2 or 3. And yeah, that's it. This was about 3, maybe 3.5 pounds. Yeah, about that. All done. Thanks for watching. And if you like this, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, keep an eye out for more of these videos. Thank you.